Okay, I never thought this moment would come. I'm about to do an unboxing. Let's talk about that. So here we are, cardboard box. I'm going to spare us all the unnecessary pomp and circumstance of taking forever to get to it. I will leave a little bit of suspense for what I'm unboxing. Maybe not, because by now I'll probably put it in the title, so there's no suspense here. This is just me opening a bucket list pair of shoes. Now I'm not a shoes guy. I am a boots guy. I have tons of different combat boots and stuff that I've tried over the years. But this is like, I wouldn't call myself a sneaker file by any stretch of the imagination. Okay. With very few exceptions, what's on my feet is a tool, not a fashion statement. One of the few things that I have that would just be a fashion statement, if you will, is a pair of Vans that are multicam, just standard multicam like this. And they're not Defcons, but they are multicam. And I will put a picture of those up so you can see them. And so I really wanted some Defcons and the multicam. And then I've sort of fallen in love with black multicam. And then they came out with this, and I got on somebody on a gun forum posted a link to it. I followed the link and just knew when they were gonna go live. I was ready, had an alarm set, and then none of this is in my character, obviously. For this kind, if you knew me, you would know this is out of character for me for a pair of shoes. But I set the alarm for a Saturday morning, was ready, got in, bought probably the most popular male size in existence, which is 10. Was able to get a pair of these black multicam Defcons, and here they are, and they're freaking sweet. So it's just a box with some Vans logoed plastic for those of you who care about that kind of thing. I'm not a person who cares about that kind of thing. Defcon Multicam Sk8 High Notchback Pro Reinforced Water Resistant Upper Moisture Management Lining Reverse Love Waffle Sole. Vans Footwear, California. So something good comes from California besides the weather. Man, these are sick. I love black multicam. If you don't think this is sick, you're sick. I'm just kidding. It's got the little Velcro lightning bolt, the Defcon lightning bolt. It's got the Ultracush sole on the inside with the little blue. Let me see if I can get it in there. The blue Ultracush HD logo. Obviously the shoestrings aren't set up right yet, but and there they are. Man, black suede here, canvas. Fan outline, got the goat logo on the back. Let's see if we can get that in there. I don't know if that's showing up. It's not high contrast by design. The OD green Vans off the wall logo on the back heel. Defcon lightning bolt. Pretty standard Defcon Sk8 high top. And then we've got paracord laces and a Vans off the wall sticker there. And then you've got on the side here the Multicam Black. That's probably not going to show up, but trust me, it's there. Multicam Black logo there. Pretty standard waffle sole there. Vans, one or more of the components of this product is a dyed material, blah, blah, nobody cares about that. So, there they are. Super cool. I don't know why I like black multicam so much. And here's the only problem with these shoes. Having this bucket list shoe in such a hard to find style hard to find size, popular size, is do I put these on my feet and just rock them like I would rock to my other Vans? It was just pretty much my go-to shoe when I'm not at work. Or do I put them on eBay and scalp them, because I know I could probably get north of $600 for this pair of shoes. So, comment, what do you think I should do? Should I keep them and just rock them like shoes? Or should I be a capitalist and make money off of them? There they are, unboxed. Black, or Multicam Black Vans Sk8 High Notchback Pro Multicam Black Defcons. Awesome shoe. I just don't know if I can justify keeping it with a market price. Let me know what you think, and we'll get back to our regular scheduled programming on the next video.